Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a quick video here because last week when I was out with the Toronto RC Crawlers group from Facebook, I had a discussion with some of the guys. You see, I felt that if I put my light kit on my rig, I felt it would wear into my runtime, and I only had the single battery, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough power to get through the whole 2-hour crawl. Some of the guys I was speaking with, they seem to think that it didn't really make a difference. And I mean, you're talking about guys that are also carrying up to 2 batteries with them as well. So I don't know about that. I think anything that has any sort of power draw is going to make some difference. Now, whether it's going to be a difference that you can tell or not, I don't know. So I'm going to do a little experiment just for the lengthy time of the experiment. I'm going to use this battery, actually. It's a 2-cell LiPo, 1000 milliamp. I'm going to have to keep an eye on it because it is only a 10C discharge rate. On this rig, my wife's rig, the Gen 8, inside the Gen 8 we have the axe system that came with my axe. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I've upgraded to the 3300K 550 motor, and so I transferred the original axe system that was in that into this. So essentially we have 2 axe trucks now. Blah blah blah. So anyways, I'm going to show you once this puppy is fully charged that it is fully charged, and then I'm going to time how long it takes to discharge it completely with and without the lights. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be without lights. Here is what the battery looks like right now. I just took it off the charger, 4.19, number 2, 4.21. So we're looking at about average of 4.2 on each cell, which is perfect, fully charged. Let's see how much time this takes. Bench test 1 of 2, full throttle, without lights. Start. So, just like the first bench test, we've got an average of 4.2 starting voltage per cell. I'll be hitting the power button of the vehicle and the start button at the same time, then waiting for the chimes to tell me how many cells there are, and then full throttle. This is lights on. Well guys, that took a lot longer than I even expected it to take. I knew because the vehicle wasn't under load, it was going to take longer. Obviously, you're not going to get those kind of run times out of that kind of battery on the trail. But both bench tests were under controlled conditions, the exact same controlled conditions. Although my throttle was pulled all the way at 100%, my ESC was only set up to go at 75% because I didn't want this thing like literally at full blast throughout the entire thing. So please leave a comment. Please leave any things you might have noticed that maybe I could have done differently to get a more accurate reading. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would have guessed as a percentage around roughly before the test started. I didn't think it was going to be this far off. It was exactly 4 minutes and 5 seconds less with the lights on. So that works out to about 8%. Now, 8% or 4 minutes and 5 seconds may not seem like a big deal. I mean, think about it. If you're out for, say, 2 to 4 hours, 8% could be the difference between making it all the way back to camp or where you started or not. And I think the other day when I was out, if I had put my lights on, I might not have been able to finish the crawl actually. It's not really a huge difference, but it could mean the difference between finishing and not finishing a crawl. In the end, any argument you have, let's just say it's a good idea to take a backup battery with you out on the trails. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you suck. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when I have another video. Give me some ideas of these kinds of bench tests because I love doing them. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Keep on RCing, keep on keeping on.